Welcome back to BetterAvecBourbon. The holiday season is upon us, so I thought I'd share some mocktails that everyone is able to enjoy to celebrate the festivities or stay true on upcoming New Year's resolutions. Starting with the Shirley Temple, a classic you've definitely heard of, and Sparkling Ginger Sorrel, combining ginger beer with sorrel, a sweet, tart, gingery hibiscus drink. Sorrel has its roots in the Caribbean, with recipes varying from Jamaica to Guyana, but all resulting in a deep, beet red drink. For ingredients, starting with the Shirley Temple, we have grenadine, the hero in many sweet cocktails and mocktails, fresh orange juice because we can do better than store-bought, ginger ale, and a bright red maraschino cherry for garnish. For the Sparkling Ginger Sorrel, we need our sorrel drink, recipe link below, ginger beer, and a lemon wheel for garnish. Gather all of your ingredients and let's get to it. For glassware, a hurricane glass is perfect for the Shirley Temple for some added flair. For the Sparkling Ginger Sorrel, I think a zombie glass is fun, but a Collins glass would work just fine. But let's start with the Shirley Temple. Starting off, grab your bar mat, a hurricane glass, and fill it with ice. Then pour in 4 ounces of ginger ale, or get a jigger or a small measuring glass, and measure it first. Followed by 4 ounces of fresh orange juice, lastly a half ounce of grenadine, gently poured along the side. Next, make sure your glass looks nice and full, some extra ice, a bit of ginger ale floated on top, and for garnish, maraschino cherry. Add a straw and you're ready to serve. And there you have the Shirley Temple. Next, the Sparkling Ginger Sorrel. Get a Collins or zombie glass and fill it with ice. Then pour in 4 ounces of ginger beer, followed by 4 ounces of sorrel. Then top with ginger beer and garnish with a lemon wheel. And add a straw. Now for the tasting. For the Shirley Temple, fresh citrus notes from the orange juice really comes through, like fresh orange 5 Alive. For the Sparkling Ginger Sorrel, cloves, orange, cinnamon with a gentle ginger bite on the back of the palate. A nice blend of winter spices. Thanks everyone for watching. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. Do you have a favorite mocktail? Let me know down below. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, hit that like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.